by the Boundary Commission, created by
treaties.
Oh, created by
1882. 1889. The
destruction
or
defacement of this monument.
Is a misdemeanor
punishable by the United States or Mexico. Well, there's something that can bring them together, huh? You touch our monument, we kill you.
Spit on you.
It's radio.
Base camp, this is double A. Come back, please. If you take your binoculars out and look at the monument, you might see a couple patriots up on top of that hill there.
So there's no fence here. They can come right over. Yippers.
Got 2 carpet shoes, some leftover soles, rubber tip. Looks like both left and right.
He was running so fast, it came right out of his shoes.
Right out of his shoes. That probably just wore off climbing the hill with your feet.
Low budget, huh?
Yeah, cheap. These haven't been up here long, bud. They wear these carpet shoes to try to hide some of their tracks. More evidence of a t-shirt. Scout's definitely been up here.
In the balls. Now that's an LPO.
Yeah.
Look at this shit. That's a pot spot they like to hide out. Look at that.
There's high traffic too. Look at the gravel.
Yep.
It's all smooth and weed. Let's get some coordinates.
Hey guys, what's up? Blaine Cooper here with Manny Vega on a mountaintop miles from nowhere, you know.
D for victory.
D for victory. So let me see how Irish rode.
Irish drove.
I strode pretty good on this.
Check.
Hey guys, Blaine Cooper. Got the night vision now. Watching your border here in Mexico. Arizona-Mexico border. There's your Normandy fence. That's all that's defending you. Melvin would like to show you what's protecting you from bad guys coming in here. That little barbed wire fence on the other side of that's Mexico. That's it. That's a damn shame.
I thought it was like powdered stuff.
All right, so what we have here is a resupply for the drug cartel, drug mules. Got a little tuna. Carpet shoes, a must in the desert. All this, believe it or not, fit into this backpack. Some of it we found in that 5-gallon container there.
Hey guys, Blaine Cooper here, Arizona Border Recon on the Arizona-Mexico border on pack. And we're going to be out here for 48 hours. All these mountaintops you see, including this one, cartels like to sit on that one, this one. We got some behind us too, and it's literally riddled with trash, water bottles, because they live out here in blankets, and they radio to each other when it's okay to run their drugs into our state. And, so we got Border Patrol down there, and they got their thermal towers, but they're only effective for a certain area. Volunteers, Americans doing duty for their country, protecting you at home.
They don't come back.
Got a beautiful Arizona sunset. So anyway, so we're up here for 48 hours, and then our operation's over. We go home. So hopefully we catch some, or at least keep them out of here. This is Blaine Cooper. I'm out.